Hello, children. All well? Hope you all are in pink of your health. Coming back to our revision series. So, welcome to this channel of revision. Continuing with lesson 10, refraction and dispersion of light. Today, we will talk about dispersion, children. Okay. Today, we will talk about dispersion of light. So, some facts which you must know about light. Light is also a energy. It also occurs in different frequencies and different wavelengths. Okay, different frequencies and different wavelengths. Just as you had heard about, we had studied about sound, na? Ki sound waves have different frequencies, different amplitudes, and audible range is a particular range from frequency 20 hertz to 20k hertz. Similarly, in light also travel in the form of waves. We call them electromagnetic waves. Okay, it also comprises of waves with different wavelengths, children. And there are many rays like gamma rays, infrared rays. Then we have a microwaves. Then your visible range, which we can see. These gamma rays, infrared rays, or microwaves we cannot see. Just like as we have a range, audible range of sound energy, we have a visible range of light energy as well, children. So, visible range, then we have X-rays. Okay, so human eye can see only a small portion of the spectrum of wavelengths, and that ranges from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, children. So only the light rays which have the wavelengths between this we are able to see, and this is known as visible range. लाइट बहुत सारे कलर्स की बनी होती है, बहुत सारी वेवलेंथ्स की होती है, मिक्सचर ऑफ वेवलेंथ्स की वेव्स होती है लाइट में, बट वी कैन सी ओनली दिस मच. सो द वाइट लाइट विच यू सी, जो आप रोज़ देखते हैं, सनलाइट या वाइट लाइट या आई वुड से डे लाइट, ओके, इट कंटेन्स ऑल द कलर्स ऑफ विजिबल रेंज. ये जो लाइट है इसमें सारे कलर्स होते थे, चिल्ड्रन. द वाइट लाइट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 7 कलर्स. ये जो वाइट लाइट है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 7 कलर्स. व्हाट आर दो 7 कलर्स? वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज एंड रेड. ओके, so you must remember this thing. What is white light made up of? It is made up of 7 colors. So a blend of mix of colors is known as white light. Children, जो colors होते हैं ना, if you mix them, you get a different color. For example, if you will mix yellow and blue, you will get green. So when these primary colors are mixed, like red, blue and green, when you mix them up, you will get a white color. So the light which we see as white light or daylight, basically it is a blend of 7 colors. उस लाइट में 7 कलर्स हैं. कौन कौन से कलर्स है? जस्ट लर्न देम अप. वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज एंड रेड. सो वी कॉल इट एज अ एक्रोनिम विबग्योर. हम उसको किस एक्रोनिम से बुलाते हैं? विबग्योर. ओके, so this is about white light, that it contains all the colors of the visible spectrum in roughly equal amounts. जितनी रेड है उतना ही येलो है, उतना ही ऑरेंज है, उतना ही वायलेट है. एंड दिस इज, चिल्ड्रन, विजिबल रेंज. Right? Now when we talk about dispersion, now let's talk about dispersion. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वेल. ये आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा बेटा. वाइट लाइट, डिस्पर्शन. इट वॉज फर्स्ट डन बाय सर Isaac Newton. What he did, just see what he did. he passed this white light on a prism. So this is a incident ray, I would call. Okay. Now the question arises, what is a prism? This is a prism, children. Prism is a piece of transparent material bounded by plane surfaces inclined at an angle. Okay, usually in the shape of triangular. They have triangular faces. Can you see? This is one triangle, this is another triangle. So it is made up of triangular faces, right? So this is a prism. So let me clear it up, otherwise you may get confused. So this is a prism. So when Sir Isaac Newton passed this white light, right, through a prism, now this is air and this is glass. Which is rarer medium, children? Air is rarer medium. You understand rarer? Less optical density. What is the meaning of rarer? ये बात याद रखना. Less optical density मतलब rarer. This is glass is denser. What do you mean by denser? More optical density. Okay. So what we have learned, children, that when the light ray passes from one transparent medium to another, it bends, right, deviates from its path. That is refraction. So see, this, had it gone straight, it would have gone like this, as a straight jati, right? But it did not go. It bent a little. आपने देखा यहाँ bend हो रही है. Okay, so what is this bending of light rays called? Refraction. Right? So refraction occurred. So these rays inside the prism, these are known as refracted ray. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Refracted ray. Now this ray which is coming out of the prism, that is known as emergent ray. जो बाहर निकल रही है प्रिज्म से, उसको बोलते हैं इमर्जेंट रे. सो हियर यू आर एबल टू सी थ्री रेज. इंसिडेंट रे जो हमने प्रिज्म के ऊपर डाला, देन रिफ्रैक्टेड रे वो सीधा नहीं गई, डेविएट हो गई. डेविएट मतलब बेंड हो गई, अपने पाथ से अलग हो गई. ये स्ट्रेट होता ना, यस, ऐसे नहीं गई, बेंड हो गई. सो दैट इज रिफ्रैक्टेड रेज. दीज आर रिफ्रैक्टेड रेज एंड दिस आर इमर्जेंट रेज. अब आपने क्या देखा? वेन यू पास वाइट लाइट, आपने प्रिज्म के अंदर तो वाइट लाइट डाला, पर यहाँ पे जो स्क्रीन था या प्रिज्म के अंदर आपको डिफरेंट कलर्स दिखे. सो दैट मीन्स कहाँ से आ गए कलर्स? सो दिस वाइट लाइट स्प्लिट अप इनटू इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट कलर्स. सो दिस स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाइट लाइट into its constituent colors. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको बोला था कि वाइट लाइट इज मेड अप ऑफ 7 कलर्स, राइट? बट हमको दिखती वाइट है बिकॉज दे ऑल आर ब्लेंडेड. बट व्हेन वी पास सी, and what were those 7 colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, isn't it? So this splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called dispersion. तो जब हमने प्रिज्म से पास किया वाइट लाइट को, तो लाइट दो चीज़ हुए बेटा. कौन से दो चीज़ हुए? When you passed it from this prism, two things happened. The light rays deviated. This is known as refraction. Right? And second thing, dispersed. Dispersed means वो अपने constituent colors में टूट गए. So the question, what happens when light passes through a prism? जब इस प्रिज्म से हम लाइट पास करते हैं तो क्या चीज़ होता है? दो चीज़ होता है. The light rays get deviated. ये हमने डाला तो they get deviated and they split into constituent colors, that is known as dispersed. Okay, now you see this picture, children. Now you see this picture. Tell me which is deviated most. You can see those colors, violet, indigo. Let me rub all this. अब आपको समझ आ गया deviated ray क्या है, isn't it? rare medium क्या है? Now you just tell me which one is most deviated out of this. आपको ये ऑर्डर याद रखना है चिल्ड्रन. क्या ऑर्डर याद रखना है? नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. आप नीचे से है वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड. सो कैन यू सी विच इज मोस्ट बेंट? सबसे ज़्यादा बेंट कौन सी हुई? इट इज वायलेट. लीस्ट बेंट, सबसे कम कौन सी मुड़ी? दैट इज रेड. So this you have to remember. So it is in the order. They can ask you the comparison between two, any two. Suppose blue and yellow, which will bend more? तो naturally आप विबग्योर ऑर्डर याद रखोगे तो आपको याद आ जाएगा. नीचे से स्टार्ट करेंगे. जो नीचे है वो bend more. So विबग्योर, blue is below yellow, isn't it? Blue is below yellow. So who will bend more? Blue. If it is between yellow and red, which will bend more? Yellow. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं विच विल बेंड मोर. इज दैट क्लियर? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि व्हेन यू विल पास द लाइट थ्रू अ प्रिज्म, द कलर विच इज डेविएटेड मोस्ट और विच इज टुवर्ड्स द बेस ऑफ द प्रिज्म, that is which color? Violet. Which is towards the top of the prism, that is red. Which will bend more between violet and indigo? Violet. Which will bend more between blue and yellow? That would be blue, isn't it? Now, why is this bending caused, children? Another important thing to remember. Let me put this down. This picture. Okay. Why is this bending caused? Cause of dispersion. Now we will study about cause of dispersion, right? It is because different colored lights, or we can say light of different wavelengths, have different speed in glass or any other medium. In air, they have same speed. Okay, they have same speed. Important to remember. In air, they move with the same speed, all the colors. So we find them blended and we see it as a white color. But in glass, they have a different speed. So, more the speed, less will be the bending. So, who is bending more? Which color is bending more? Violet is bending most. That means it has the lowest speed in glass. ओके, ये बात आपको याद रखना है. जो सबसे ज़्यादा बेंड कर रहा है उसका स्पीड सबसे कम है. तो ग्लास में सबसे कम स्पीड किसका है? वॉयलेट का. एंड रेड इज बेंडिंग लीस्ट. रेड सबसे कम बेंड हो रहा है. दैट व्हाट डज इट इंडिकेट? इट हैज़ अ हाईएस्ट स्पीड इन ग्लास. ये जो 7 कलर्स है, वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड, उन सारे कलर्स की वेव्स में से सबसे ज़्यादा स्पीड ग्लास के अंदर किसका है? रेड का. सबसे कम स्पीड किसका है? वॉयलेट का. जितना कम स्पीड होगा बेटा उतना बेंडिंग ज़्यादा होगा. ये बात याद रखना, क्योंकि बेंडिंग होता है किसकी वजह से? स्पीड की वजह से. चेंज ऑफ स्पीड. रिफ्रैक्शन का कॉज हमने यही पढ़ा था ना, चेंज ऑफ स्पीड. More the change of speed, more will be the bending. So lower the speed, more will be the bending. This was all for today. So few questions, children. Maximum speed in glass of which color? Maximum speed, that is red. तो ये सब याद ही रखना है आपको. Highest speed red, minimum speed in glass violet. Okay. Then which will bend most? Again violet. Which will bend least? Again red. What happens when the light is passed through glass prism? It gets deviated and dispersed. And if I talk about, if I compare between two colors, which will bend more, so you should be able to answer which will bend more. So, and then we come to rainbow, children. Rainbow. It is a natural phenomena, isn't it? So it is a meteorological, जो वेदर में चीज़ें होती है फिनोमेना, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मेट्रोलॉजिकल फिनोमेना. सो रेनबो इज़ अ मेट्रोलॉजिकल फिनोमेना. इट इज़ कॉज्ड बाय ऑल द थ्री थिंग्स, चिल्ड्रन. It is caused by reflection, refraction, as well as dispersion. So it is a natural, very important to remember, it is a natural phenomena, right? So in your book it may be written only refraction and dispersion, don't mind. So go for that. Okay. So when does it occur? ये होता क्यों है? When do we observe this? When do we observe this rainbow? We observe it when the sun comes out after a rainfall, when sun shines after rainfall, right? So this light, that sunlight, that passes through droplets of water suspended in the air, and these droplets of water behave like a prism. So they disperse the sunlight in the same way as your glass prism do. So they spreads the light into different colors, and we are able to see rainbow. So rainbow is a natural phenomena associated with the dispersion of sunlight. Okay, children. Any other things left out? So thank you. And may your life be as colorful as a rainbow.